The song House of the Lord by Phil Wickham is a great upbeat worship tune. And for us as keyboard players, our job is very important because we're providing a lot of the kind of chordal and rhythmic elements, especially in the beginning of this tune. You really hear the acoustic piano kind of shine in this song because it's real choppy sounding. And then once we get into the verses, kind of the driving melodic or chordal element there is going to be the acoustic piano. And there's a variety of other sounds in this, and I've included it in our patches, but I've only focused on the piano and the B3 organ because you can kind of layer that B3 organ and still do what you need to on the acoustic piano. So that's what we're going to be focusing on for the bulk of this tune. Again, it's a fairly easy tune to learn, so for now, go ahead and get your rig set up, watch the music video, and let's get started. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So as you can see there, we're just kind of landing a 1, 2, 3, and then we push. 1, 2, 3, push. 1, 2, 3. Notice there we're just changing our right hand, not our left hand, but when we come back to it, we go to the F. B flat, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Same thing for the turnaround. 2, 3. And all I'm doing there is I'm adding a few extra kind of notes and pushes on the main chord. So it's kind of like a 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Still got that underlying 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. Still got that main rhythmic element. Then at the end, we're going to shift up an inversion.